the pace of the paper so pointless. Need to be pointless, cause the thought that is useless. So you think that you're flapping and people make sound awful. No, I'm endless, cause I tend to be relevant. I'm telling you, they're taking life for more relevant. But it's reality, people tend to be honest. Living life to deserve it, living life that they deserve to live. But it's supposed to speak out your face and be eager to drill again in the challenge. Someone reaching and choosing. Just before the put the shot to the gap of energy. Can't get touch the link, the shot to the visit. I bust this rap in and I'm taking it up and was another thing. When I break my blessings, I'm oppressed. When it comes to sleeping, there is something that looks like why the village doesn't exist. And full of lies. Why I'm finding lies to get it late. To speak it is the world of lies. People uttering, new takes for the truth. Why can't pop really got for you? Pass the mind, y'all.